Hello students, welcome. Today we are studying double membrane bound cell organelles, mitochondria. Okay, now let's start. Mitochondria. Mitochondria word is made up of two Greek words, mitos plus chondrion. Mitos means thread and chondrion means granules. Means mitochondria is thread-like granules. We can say that mitochondria is thread-like granules. Okay. Now we are seeing its history. Mitochondria was firstly seen by Kolliker in 1880 in the stripped muscles of insects. Firstly seen by Kolliker in the stripped muscles of insect, and Fleming in 1880 named it phyla, and Altman named in 1890 as a bioplast, and C. Benda give a present name mitochondria. So C. Benda gives them name mitochondria. Okay. Now mitochondria is found in all types of cells except prokaryotic cells. Except prokaryotic cells, all types of cells have mitochondria. Their number is vary according to cell and their activity. Normally, in plant cell have less mitochondria with the compared to animal cell, because animal cell is more active, so their number normally range in per cell 50 to 5,000 mitochondria in per cell. But in some organisms like Microsterias, which is green alga, and Sporozoite, which is a stage of Plasmodium life cycle, have only one mitochondria. And in Pillowmixa, which is a protozoans animals, which is unicellular animals, have a 5 lakhs mitochondria in it. Okay, so this is the number of mitochondria in cell, and we are seeing the shape of mitochondria. Mitochondria have different shape according to the cell activity. It may be rounded or rod shape or filamentous line. Okay, and the size of mitochondrial length is 5 to 8 micrometer, and their diameter is 0.5 to 1 micrometer. It is vary according to the cell activity and their function. Okay, it is all about the general introduction of mitochondria. Now we are seeing the structure of mitochondria. So mitochondria, structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is double membrane bound cell organelles, in which first is outer membrane, second is inner membrane. Outer and inner membrane, they are made up of lipid and protein, and their thickness is 75 angstrom of each other. They have 75 angstrom thickness. Okay. In between the both membranes, a broad space are found, which is called perimitochondrial space. In this space contains respiratory enzymes which perform oxidative phosphorylation. Okay. The part which is surrounded by inner membrane is called matrix. The part which is surrounded by inner membrane is called matrix. The inner membrane, the outer membrane is the outer mitochondrial membrane is flat, but the inner mitochondrial membrane have folded inside the cavity and form finger-like projection. That is called cristae. That finger-like projection is called cristae, and the inner part of cristae, which is called matrix, and matrix contain several things like DNA, mitochondrial DNA, ribosomes, which is 70S types, RNA, Krebs cycles, enzymes, and water, etc. That substances are found inside the matrix. Okay. Inside the matrix, Krebs cycles enzymes are also found, which is help in Krebs cycle. The inner membrane of mitochondria have some tennis racket-like structures which is attached on it to 100 angstrom to each other. That tennis racket-like structures is called oxysomes or F1 particles. Oxysomes or F1 particles or elementary particles. That tennis racket-like structure is consists of three parts: head, stalk, and base. The head part of oxysomes contain ATP synthesis enzyme, which is perform oxidative phosphorylation process during the respiration and produce ATP and help in production of ATP. Okay, the mitochondrial DNA is circular type. Mitochondrial DNA is circular type and which have more GC combination. Mitochondrial DNA have circular type and which have more GC component or combination, and mitochondria divide self to produce new mitochondria, so it is also called semi-autonomous organs. Okay, this is all about the structure of mitochondria. Now we are seeing the function of mitochondria. And next is the function of mitochondria. There are four functions of mitochondria. First is mitochondria is called powerhouse of cell. This is the most important question. Why the mitochondria is called powerhouse of cell? The mitochondria is called powerhouse of cell because they perform redox reduction. During this redox reduction, electron is released. That electron pass through ETS, electron transport system, and produce ATP. Or that ATP is stored in the matrix of mitochondria. So it is called powerhouse of a cell. Okay. Second function, they are the site for Krebs cycles. Mitochondria is the site for Krebs cycle because mitochondria process is performed in the matrix of Krebs cycles. So it is site for Krebs cycle. Next point, they are the site for the oxidative phosphorylation. Mitochondria is the site for oxidative phosphorylation. This is performed by oxysomes and by which produce ATP. So it is the function of mitochondria. And the last function of mitochondria, it is the main cell organelles that perform photorespiration process. The photorespiration process occur in mitochondria. It is the main cell organelles. So photorespiration process occur in three cell organelles: mitochondria, blastoids, and peroxisomes. Mitochondria is the main cell organelles which participate in this process. Okay, so it is all about the function of mitochondria. Okay, now we are seeing next cell organelles, which is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay.